YouTube, you asked for more Toyota, Scion, and Lexus content, so here it is. So over the years, even in my dealership days, we found that modifying these 4Runners didn't really sacrifice durability or ruggedness or reliability in any way. None of this stuff really happens due to modifications. It was always probably pushing the vehicle beyond its limits, but otherwise it doesn't really sacrifice anything. Some people ask sometimes, why does they're heavily modified, or why isn't it lasting as long as a stock 4Runner? The truth is, I hate to say it, but the truth is, it's because you beat the hell out of it, really. I've seen elderly folks own 4Runners 400,000 or 500,000 miles, perfect condition, not an issue. I've seen folks 80,000 miles on a 5th gen and it's beat up because they got a snorkel on it and they're taking it through deep water or too deep of snow, or they roll it, wonder why the airbags go off, and it's all about how you use it. One question we get often is, what kind of maintenance items does my 4Runner need? It kind of actually depends on what generation. Early first generation 4Runners of the 22R, they went through head gaskets, timing chain issues. Second generations had severe head gasket issues on the 3-liter V6. Fourth generation 4Runners had head gasket issues, funny enough. 5th gen has been virtually problem-free though. They're rock solid. Sometimes people ask, like, at what point, do you keep going with the 4Runner or whatever Toyota you have? Some customers scoff at the idea of throwing $1,000 into ball joints and brakes or suspension. Really, it comes down to the owner. You got to decide how much you love it and if it makes sense to you. One of the biggest trade-offs when you choose a 4Runner over another vehicle is the fuel economy. A lot of people misunderstand that. I can't stress it enough. Like, fuel economy sucks. Otherwise, the vehicle is so good. Like, what generation of 4Runner aged the best? I'm gonna say the 3rd gen 4Runner. Horrible gas mileage like every other 4Runner, but I think it's a timeless design. I think it's a good looking vehicle. It runs great, but some people would say the 4th gens. I don't like 4th gens unless it's a V8. The one thing that owning a 4Runner long term that nobody expects, fuel economy. Fuel economy sucks. You've got the fuel economy of a diesel truck and the power of a Yugo. It sucks. I'm not kidding, these things get such bad fuel economy. Typically they're like 15, 16 miles to the gallon, like factory. If you're lifted or you have wheels and tires, rooftop tent, let me know, what are you getting for fuel economy? Let's actually kind of have a shootout here. Who gets the worst fuel mileage here? If you're running 35s, let me know.